Okay, y'all, so here's the deal. I don't like to drink a white monster right before I do a workout, but I'm about to break my rules. I can't even get this open. There we go. So I almost rip off a nail. It just tastes so good. So I'm gonna sip this while I'm getting ready, and I might even drink it like during my workout because it is just a lift. But nonetheless, I want to get my lift in. Even if it's just for like 30 minutes, I need to do something that's like strength training. Like I said, I'm on a time schedule, so we'll see how much I film. I just want to show you my outfit really quick because I changed around. This top is from Fabletics, and these biker shorts are from Amazon. So excited that like it's just the season, you know? I am here for the long sleeves, and it's just the best. Okay, wow. Just got done with that workout with my barbell set here in my parents' driveway. I normally do not drink a white monster before working out or like during, but I did today, so obviously my chart is probably gonna be like wild, but here it is, once again from the free app zones. Okay, so back at my Philly apartment because I'm about to go meet up with my friend Maddie. I want to share with you guys this Fabletics set that I'm wearing. I'm literally obsessed with it. I filmed myself in it before I left my parents' house, but these are their power hold leggings, and it's one of my favorite styles that they sell. They are so amazing. They hold you in. They're not uncomfortable. It's just incredible. So the power hold, and I'm wearing a size small, and then this bra that they sent me is also a size small. So you guys can just find this on their website. Now that I'm back, I'm gonna make myself something to eat.
Please, we bout to get it on. Missing someone.